Hi everyone, this is my third day of learning C, and currently I'm thinking whether I should upload a day-to-day progress. But I'm also thinking that if I do that, I'll be pressured to study fast, which might cause me to not understand the topic properly. So maybe I'm going to upload my progress every other day or every 2 days, or maybe just when I feel comfortable with the topic. So going back to the purpose of this video, what I have learned after my first video last 2 days ago, I think, which is about my supposedly 1 week of studying C. But I explained on that video that it was just my first day of studying C programming. Anyways, what I have learned after that is how to display output and read an input. And based on the code that you can see on your screen right now, this line, or rather this printf function, is how the C programming display an output. By the way, printf probably is the most common function used in C. It provides a convenient way to display a program results. Although what you can see on my screen right now is I'm trying to display a praise, or this code is going to display a praise. You can also display the value of the variable or even the result of a operation or computation. I will show you what I meant by that. Let me build this program first. And yeah, as you can see, it displays the hello world. Now, since I told you that the printf function can also display a value from the variable, this is the way to do that. First, I will try to create a variable. Let's say variable A with the value 1 and variable B with the value 2. Uh, First, allow me to show you how to display the variable A. In order to do that, we tell the printf to what is the format that we are going to display, and this is how to do it. Since the variable A is an integer, we specify %d. And to tell the printf the where he will get the or where it will get the value or the integer is to specify the variable here. So if I'm going to save this and build this program, shown see, there's one warning. It's because of the I did not use the variable b. So if I run this, it prints the hello one. So this %d is called the format specifier. I haven't studied much about it yet since I am not yet on that part. I just decided to do a quick search about it to give me an idea on how it works. By the way, you can also display multiple value or data on printf, and this is how to do it. Let's say I want to display also the let's say I want to display also the value of the variable b. I just say this one. So I'll just place the variable b here also. Just separate every variable that you want to be printed by the or displayed by the printf. By the way, I want to add also that if you the display or printf display the output depends on the order of how you put it in here. So if you put b first before a, then the value of b will be displayed first, then a, just like that. Or so if I try to build this one, and run this, it should print the hello 2 and 1. See? So that's basically how to display an output on C programming.